Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically after the whole operation, the grid lines should disappear. So let's start with opening the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Let's tap on them and now scroll down to the very bottom to find a Restore Defaults. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so let's simply tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.